Ekant Singh. Fueled by Indian culture and its tradition, rich creativity instinct, and desire to achieve excellence, Ekant Singh, founder and CEO of Page2813, a leading furniture design and manufacturing company, has taken Indian furniture design to new heights with his timeless creations. From the dramatic makeover of luxury adobes and high-end business establishment to lending a modern twist to iconic infrastructure. Over the years, Ekant Singh has explored new boundaries to create his style and aesthetic design that inspire the best in people. Today, Mr. Ekant will speak on how to have sustainable furniture, materials, and color trends which lives forever. So let's welcome Mr. Ekant.
Like I mentioned before, thank you for introducing, and it's a long introduction of mine. I'm not even sure I've achieved half of what you've said about me, but yeah, there are a lot of there's a lot to achieve. Like I always say, you do a lot of work, but then it is not sufficient. All of us have done a lot of work, and now we are moving towards the green trend, like how we're moving. Like I mentioned before also, that we are constantly changing and upscaling ourselves, and so is our interiors and trends. We have in past till 2022, if I would say, that we have used a lot of materials and a lot of substances which were readily available with us, and the resources which were available to us in whatever form we have used, and I would say use and abuse the resources without even thinking that if what is the validity, if we can ever reuse those materials, if they're sustainable, if we will be able to make them retain for a longer time or no. But now, henceforth, like I always say, that 2023 is a benchmark year from where we are starting, that we should be moving towards having an eco-friendly and reusable furniture and reusable artifacts or whatever is there in your home and living. We don't have to go into the market to just trash or throw or to buy new things. There are a lot of people, in olden times, what we used to do is that we used to buy a furniture, and old furniture we used to just discard and throw it on the road, probably in rural areas, or give it to vendors who are just on a scrap dealers for say. But now there are designated places where available that you can go and sell your furniture or give the furniture to them who recycle that furniture and then sell the furniture off. There are eco-friendly, like I mentioned, there are forests available from where you can go and buy the wood, and you can use that wood for your sustainable furniture. There are lighter trends which you can use. There are woods in the market which are sustainable, which can live forever. Start using those kind of wood and furniture and fabrics which live forever. You can dry clean them, you can wash them in your house, and you can use minimum use of chemical on the furniture, on the treatment of the furniture is going to stay for a little longer than how it is in the older generation of the furniture which we have been using. Same as the point if you use aluminium or any other substance in terms of metal. Wood is what I have talked about. If you're talking about metal, there are metals also available which can be recycled and which can be reused, repainted, and used in the form of many furniture. So we can slowly and steadily move towards that, which we are moving, and we're educating. Like we talked about that, Dr. Mala Singh has in-depth knowledge about the certification of the green furniture. I myself is wanting and aspiring that this year I should apply for a certification and get the green certification, so that I can also say that we are using the green and ecological, eco-balanced furniture for the living and for the other purposes also. Thank you.